Welcome to Stegback. This guide will help you understand how to place orders with vendors through your seller dashboard. Start by logging into your Stegback Seller Dashboard and navigating to the Orders section. Click on All Orders and select the specific order you wish to process, where you can view all the order details. Next, click on Create Delivery Note, and in the Product Selection area, ensure you click Include SKU before submitting. Once done, click Place Order to confirm the order with the vendor. After the vendor packs the order and hands it over to the delivery company, they will share the tracking number with you. Simply click Upload Tracking Number to update the tracking details for the order. Finally, scroll down to the Order Activity section to track the order status, which will be updated to Delivered once the customer receives the product. Thank you for using Stegback, and feel free to reach out if you need further assistance.